Does it have a clean title? What's with the $99,900 price tag?
Well, you know, I mean, clean is a relative term. You can definitely clean it up.
What is going on, guys? I hope you're having a fantastic day. The rain in LA has finally stopped, so let's get the 600 LT washed. Time to give her a bath because she is absolutely filthy all over. Now guys, this should go without saying, but please never use this brush. I saw somebody using it the other day on their car, and rest in peace to their paint job. And just like that, she is clean as ever. It is a spectacular day out today, so I figured it is the perfect opportunity to take the McLaren to my favorite road in the world, Stunt Road. Found an extra cup holder. Look at this guy's license plate. Jeeves! Jeeves, is that you? Man, the Malibu Canyons are looking pretty as ever. As much as I wish I could give the keys to every single one of you to the McLaren to rip up Stunt, obviously that's not possible, so hopefully this suffices. But before that, my God, look how spectacular it is today. When I moved to LA, I used to film so many reviews right there. Then they started working on this house, but they've literally done nothing in the past 3.5 years. It's just a bunch of scrap. Please give me your house. Wow. This corner is always crazy, but the view is just ridiculous. Little safety blurb, if you go for a drive in the canyons right after it rains, please be careful. Do a lap beforehand to make sure there's no crazy rocks in the road. Particularly in the Malibu Canyons, there are insane rock slides. And not this year, but last year, I've come around the corner to find myself head on. Thankfully, my brakes are good and I didn't crash, but literally a rock the size of a smart car on the other end of a blind turn. So stay safe out there. Some say tunnels were built not for passing through mountains, but instead for car enthusiasts to see what it'd be like if their car had a louder exhaust. Oh my God! Yeah, it was definitely the loud exhaust one. Nice 488, M5. Throwback to picking up my E63 after it got shipped from Germany to Calabasas. Why LA traffic, why? So for continuity's sake, I put on the same shirt as before, but a clean version. Although I just realized that the lighting is so different, it's so clear it's a different day. And now it's just really weird that I'm wearing the same shirt. Anyways, we're back and we are in the Tesla Model S. We are headed to a charging station right now. Pro tip for people who have a Tesla, I didn't realize this until I got one. If you're ever going to a charging station, make sure to actually type it in on the navigation itself, because then it preconditions the battery for fast charging, so you can charge even quicker. Hiding in the shadows. Look at the wing on this GT4, and its license plate is GT4 Play. That's amazing. Here it comes. Damn, that sounds good. Oh yes, Las Vehicle Virgenes Road. Oh no, we've caught an offender red-handed. An E46 with an M3 badge. Why, dude, why? For one, they didn't make a sedan E46 M3. And for two, the E46 sedan is cool in its own right. Why put a fake badge on it? Why? Fake! Fake! That's what I like to see. Just got to the beginning of a road called Latigo, which is one of the most fun yet technical and dangerous roads that I know in the area. So I'm curious, can the Tesla Model S Plaid actually navigate a 10-mile long insane canyon road with cliffs and super tight narrow twisty bits with 180-degree turns without fail? I don't know why I'm trying this, but I am really curious to find out. We are out here right now. All right, Tesla, let's see what you got. For those curious about how the leather seats are holding up in this crazy white color, they're getting totally screwed by my jeans. Now, I'm hoping this can wipe off. If it can't, then they're literally already ruined, and I've had this car for like a month and a half. Oh my God, I do not know why I'm trying this. Whoa! Whoa, okay, it's working. There is a biker, all right, good, don't hit that guy. Please don't hit the rocks. Oh, there's a boulder, nope, nope. All right, I don't trust it there. There are boulders everywhere in the middle of the road, although I will say that that is a little bit unfair. We're gonna resume autopilot. You were doing a great job, Tesla. You didn't know there was gonna be rock slides. Honestly though, I actually don't know. It might have missed the rocks, but that's not worth finding out. Oh my, look, it's going all the way past vertical. Holy crap. It can actually do an insanely tight, twisty, technical road. So while I was charging the Tesla, my friend sent me what might be either the greatest deal on the planet or the biggest scam ever. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, I'm currently not in the market for an Aventador. I do wish I had an Aventador already, as they're going up and up and up in value right now. But my friend just sent me this. This is a 2018 Lamborghini Aventador S with 10,462 miles for $99,998. What? It goes without saying 100 grand is very cheap for an Aventador S. They're in the $400,000 to $500,000 range. But I'm gonna call this dealership and hopefully I can buy the cheapest Aventador in the United States right now. I don't need one, but for $99,000, I'm down for a V12 supercar. Even if it's salvage title, an Aventador S for $99,000 is one hell of a good deal if it actually runs and drives. Let's see. I'm gonna call the dealership and find out what's up with the car.
Bedford Exotic Cars, this is Ben. How can I help you today?
Hey Ben, my name is Parker Nierenstein. Hope you're having a good day. I'm calling about your 2018 Aventador S.
Oh yeah, she's stunning, isn't she?
It certainly looks like that on the picture. So I'll be frank with you, this isn't normally my negotiating tactic, but obviously given the fact it's an Aventador, which normally is a, $400,000, $500,000 car, I gotta ask, does it have a clean title? What's with the $99,900 price tag?
Well, clean is a relative term. You can definitely clean it up. The car was a rental. Got, a couple of minor things here and there, so the price reflects that.
Okay, gotcha. But it runs and drives and everything?
Oh, yeah, of course. It's had an engine rebuild, but that's good as new, 10,000 miles on a new motor. Are you local? We've had a lot of interest. If you want to come down and have a look at it yourself, you're more than welcome.
Gotcha. I'm based in California, but I am actually really interested in the car. Could I give you my cell number and maybe you could text me some additional photos?
Yeah, no problem, mate. Can definitely do that. I do suggest you put down a $1,000 deposit, though. There's a lot of people have been interested, and if you want to just reserve it, obviously it's a great deal. We take Zelle if you're interested. If you're ready now, I can give you the details.
Let me think about it. Definitely want to see some additional pictures. Are you ready for my phone number? And then after that, I'll consider the Zelle deposit.
Sure. Yeah, why not? Go ahead, mate.
Okay, it's 818 4.
All right, perfect, mate. Thank you so much. We'll send those pictures over to you now.
Awesome. Thank you so much. It was Ben, right?
Yeah, correct.
All right. Take care.
Brilliant. You have a nice day, mate.
You too. Bye. Well, okay, so rebuilt engine. I'm a little confused because he said clean title, but like it's not a clean title. I don't know what that means. That's kind of sketch. That was sketch, and the Zelle part was kind of sketch. But if it truly is a higher mileage rental car with a rebuilt engine, I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm gonna have them send me some more pictures. It could be very interesting to fly out there, maybe kind of unannounced, and check out the car. And on that ridiculous note, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.